I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mini Cooper thermostat. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver set, pliers, and a new thermostat with its gasket. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Next, locate the thermostat housing, typically found near the engine cylinder head. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process, ensuring safety and efficiency from the start. After locating the housing, you'll need to drain the engine coolant. Place a drain pan beneath the radiator and open the drain plug. Once the coolant is drained, disconnect the hoses connected to the thermostat housing. Use a screwdriver or pliers to loosen the clamps. Then, unbolt the housing itself, usually held by 2 or 3 bolts, and carefully remove the old thermostat and gasket. This step prepares the area for the new component. Now clean the mounting surface where the thermostat sits, removing any old gasket material. This ensures a good seal. Install the new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly, and place the new gasket. Reattach the housing, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all hoses, securing them with their clamps. Finally, refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant, bleeding any air from the system. Once everything is reassembled and refilled, start your Mini Cooper's engine. Let it run for a few minutes, carefully checking for any signs of coolant leaks around the new thermostat housing and hose connections. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge to ensure the engine reaches and maintains its normal operating temperature. This confirms the new thermostat is functioning correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your DIY projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.